नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। और फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे हम बात बैंकर पेंशन अपडेशन के बारे में करते हैं। यहाँ पे श्री रामचंद्रन, जॉइंट जनरल सेक्रेटरी, इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक रिटायरीज वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन चेन्नई ने एक पत्र ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर को लिखा। डियर मैडम, I am Ramchandran, General Secretary for our Indian Overseas Bank Retirees Welfare Association Chennai. I have already written 2 important mails to your esteemed office for which I didn't get reply at all. Anyhow, I wish to remind once again that recently you have ordered for forming a committee consist of SBI, IBA and the dignitaries of your office to look into the matter of updation and ramification in the banking industry and to maintain at par treatment to all banks. In this connection, I wish kindly bring it to your kind attention that there is a great disparity in payment of pension to bank retirees in the following 3 categories. First, RBI and NABARD paid CPF and gratuity and full pension, that is 50%. Second, SBI, CPF and gratuity and 40% pension with lowest rate of medical insurance and free medicines every month. Third, all other banks surrendering the CPF to form a pension fund trust and to pay pension from the fund only gratuity and pension 50%. No concession whatsoever and the exorbitant premium for medical insurance. That too, IBA and UFBU to decide about payment of premiums which are to be borne by the poor bank retirees. How they could decide about payment of premium from the pockets of retirees members. So, the above vital points should be taken while ramification to be done. Moreover, in the first case, there is an expenditure to the government since there is no reserve fund for RBI and the whole pension paid is to them is from the budgetary allocations only. Of course, there is some sufficient reserve fund for SBI right from the period of Imperial Bank of India to the present SBI. Since SBI is capable of bearing the cost of any updation, there is no worry. At the same time, for the banks, there is a book balance of more than 3.6 lakh crores in the self-created pension fund by the employees and the present retirees of the bank. This big fund is more than enough to update pension to 4 times of the present pension until no retiree to receive the pension. Apart from that, free medical insurance can also be done by paying the premium from the set big pension fund with group life insurance for pensioner and family pensioner to keep them happy throughout their life. But here is a big question and doubt arises that whether the book balance has really physical balance too. In a recent statement given by PMO, it has been clarified that almost all the banks including SBI has amortized some money from the pension fund to write off and adjust NPA to sustain profits. The said amortization has the concurrence from RBI. The said amortization has to be replenished to the pension fund and it is the commitment of the part of all banks including SBI and taking that amortized funds to should be taken into account and immediate solution to the updation be done on RBI norms and that too with monetary effect with effect from 1st March 2019, the date in which first updation was done in RBI. Hence, we request you kindly to consider our genuine demands taking into all the above before deciding in the committee, though the committee is formed without the representation of retirees who only surrendered all their hard earned CPF. Thanking you, yours faithfully, B. Ramchandran, Joint General Secretary, Indian Overseas Bank, Retiree Welfare Association. फ्रेंड्स, श्री रामचंद्रन ने इसके पहले भी 2 पत्र फिनांस मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस को लिखा था जिसका कोई रिप्लाई नहीं मिला। सारे तथ्यों को लिखते हुए श्री रामचंद्रन जी ने ये पत्र फिर ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर को लिखा है, लेकिन कितना सार्थक होता है ये तो समय बताएगा। लेकिन प्रयास हर तरफ से भरपूर प्रयास, यही कहना होता है, मेहनत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। तो शायद हमारे लिए भी अच्छे दिन आए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।